Slate roofing tiles. Now, let's face it, no one wants to install a new roof only to have to redo it a few years down the line. But slate roofing tiles can last over 100 years without needing repair. Other popular roofing materials like sand cement tiles serve only around 70 years. There are ceramic materials that can last up to 50 years, and synthetic tiles will do no more than 40 years. While many builders and designers would consider this type of roofing as out of date, its durability and accessibility will always cause it to be in demand. Also, modern slate tiles are the best resistance to chimney smoke, sun, and rain. CARV. Here is another modern technology that you will love. This device will eliminate the need for an instructor on your next skiing trip. CARV was created to perfect your form and skiing technique. This device is made of two main elements. One is a unique tracker placed in your boots. The other is intelligent soles for specially made skiing boots. The soles inside your shoes are 2 millimeters thick and are equipped with 48 movement sensors. These sensors are barely noticeable and will not cause you any fatigue while skiing. All of this data can be stored on your phone and displayed in two graphs and simple comments that the user can understand. CARV was developed to assist young professional skiers with their technique. You can purchase this device for your ski equipment for only $300. CellRobot. Meet the CellRobot. This is a robot with a heart. Literally. Okay, let me explain. This robot is created by several separate models being joined together by a single core. One can easily create several different configurations based on the library provided. A very cool idea of this is creating a robotic vehicle in any shape by adding several wheels to your module. Bluetooth controls the inner sphere known as the heart. In one separate model, there is a camera that can shoot in up to 640 by 480 resolution and records up to 30 frames in a single second. This device can be used as a toy or as a learning platform for young programmers. You can program this robot to do activities of all sorts. A basic version with 5 model wheels and a loader is available for purchase for $155. Tenikle. Another device that I am sure will come in handy. The Tenikle gives the functionality of a tripod and a device mount all in one. This unique creation can hold your camera or smartphone effortlessly. While there are other devices available on the market that provide the same function, none can compete with the unique design of the Tenikle. It is highly flexible, thanks to the silicone suction cups used to hold your device. This creation can stick to any surface as long as it is clean and smooth, facilitating a secure grip. The cool part is that in this device's case, a wet surface would provide a more suitable roll than one that is dry. Its manufacturers insist that moisture will extend the life of this device and increases its durability. This small device can hold up to 3.5 kilos of weight. It is convenient to carry around, small enough to fit in your pocket, stick to any surface, and only costs $25. LifeCard 22LR. The American company Trailblazer Firearms created this awesome self-defense gadget. The LifeCard is the smallest gun worldwide. It is portable, easy to use, and easy to carry around. Even if your attacker performed a search, they might not be able to identify this gun. This is because it is easily folded into a small business card size. It is no secret that there has been a spike in the rate of unprovoked violence. It is therefore essential that a person can defend themselves. This LifeCard might be what saves your life. Pre-hardened steel is used to make its trigger, bolt, and barrel. The end of this gun is made from polymer. The best part is it is durable and lightweight. You can get this possible lifesaver at $300. Cyber Clean. For those who enjoy eating cookies around the computer desk, our next gadget is perfect for you. Cyber Clean is a soft, flexible cleaning putty and is the best way to keep your house tidy, and may also lead to surprising adventures. This small device can change its shape and even shrink. Its flexibility causes Cyber Clean to reach into those areas other devices would not be able to. Cyber Clean will collect all of the dust and dirt from every nook and cranny. Not only does this device collect, but it also disinfects the area. It is excellent for the interior of your car, digital equipment, and even your everyday household appliance. This putty-like substance is reusable and leaves no stains on your device. Even better, when this device has no more use left in it, it will change color for you to know that it's time for a change. This change will not be costly, as a Cyber Clean is only $5. Laser Pecker. Let us move on to this one-of-a-kind laser pecker. The Laser Pecker Pro is used to create engravings. It is small and can be used anywhere. This laser will fit easily on a desk or a kitchen table, and it's ideal for personal use. Laser Pecker Pro engraves images into leather, fabric, wood, plastic, paper, and cardboard. It can create decorative pieces, take pictures, and even be used on wallets and metal flasks. After your initial installment, you can upload your image onto the companion app of this device, and the image selected will be burnt onto the material you are using. You can quickly start a business or get the Laser Pecker for personal use for a cost of $300. Floating solar farm. Our last piece of modern technology may be the coolest so far. We are aware of the benefits of solar power in the world. Renewable energy sources have become more and more popular in recent years, and everyone agrees that China has the highest installed capacity of solar power, even more than Japan and the United States. The one you are looking at today is the floating solar farm, which is located on China's water bodies. It is important to note, for these solar panels to be placed, the water body must be stable. This single solar farm can produce large amounts of electricity while leaving the land for agricultural produce and more. The floating solar farm can produce 22 to 200 megawatts of energy for the population of China. It is believed that we will find floating solar farms becoming more popular in years to come. Thanks for watching. Which innovation impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you're new here, then please feel free to subscribe and also hit the notification bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!